Hello traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to share how to trade with a magic trend indicator. First of all, let me clear you one thing, that you will not get much winning ratio in this indicator. But I can tell you one thing for sure, that if you watch the video completely and understand all my points, then your account will be in profit even though the winning ratio is low. You will make very good profit. This is my guarantee. As you can see now, there is a buy signal in the market. As you can see, the signal is generating very good profit. Here again, a sell signal has been created, so here you can execute sell trade. After generating sell trade, the market has come back from above and created a buy signal, then we will execute our buy trade here as well. Now you can see that the market is giving us a very good profit on this signal. And we have recovered the loss that we had in one of our trade earlier, and have also booked a very good profit. As I told you in the beginning of the video that the winning ratio will be very less, but our account will be in profit only. So when you use this indicator, you will keep one thing in mind. You have to slowly move up your stop loss with the super trade indicator. So now let's test the indicator. Rest you will understand the whole thing. How profitable is this indicator? In just 2 minutes you have to watch this video completely. And you will not need to test again by yourself. And I would like to tell you a secret, that this is a new setup. And you can use it by combining it with your old setup. And take this indicator as a confirmation, and you can do many more modifications by yourself, according to your need. And this indicator will be available to you absolutely free. You go and join and you will get the downloading link there. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video.